Hello, my name is Shay Ninzi and thank you so much for stopping by on my video today. If this is your first time visiting my channel, this channel is all about makeup reviews, specifically foundation reviews on my textured acne-prone combination. Right now it's dry, leaning on the dry side. So if you want to see how foundations work on my skin, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be testing out the Milk Skin Tint with SPF. Skin tints, tinted moisturizers, all that stuff is super popular right now, and Milk has their own formula. It's very interesting because it's in a pen form, as you can see. It's got a little roller ball on the end, kind of like, you know, like a rollerball eye serum, and then a click pen on the end, and that's how product comes out. So I'm beyond excited to see how this wears and covers my acne. Again, I have texture, hyperpigmentation, large pores, and right now I am more on the dry side, but with the summer, definitely experiencing some combination, you know, just oily around the nose and everything. If you guys want to see my skincare journey, because my acne used to be horrible, definitely check out some of my other skincare videos. I have several different skincare videos kind of talking about my skincare journey. Let's go ahead and test this out. I have mine in the shade, yeah, I'm not sure what shade I have. It doesn't say on the bottle besides this little number down here. It says like LF91, so I don't know if that's, I don't think that's the shade or not, but let's see. I've never used this. The roller ball is completely clean, so let's pump it out and see what happens. Oh, I can see the product already coming out. I don't want to put too much on there. I'm not going to use any primer or anything like that today, just because I don't know, I haven't really noticed a difference too much. I already have sunscreen, SPF, and moisturizer on. So let's dive in and see how this wears. Oh, whoa. Yeah, this is interesting. This might be a little light for me right now. I can't tell if it's getting clogged or not. There we go. Yeah, this is definitely too pale for me right now. It definitely smells like sunscreen, that's for sure. On one side of my face, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. sponge. This is super popular. And then I'm going to be using a Sigma F80. I'm going to go ahead and start with the brush. This is very, very liquidy from what I can tell. The Milk Sunshine Skin Tint is a clean, silicone-free skin tint that provides weightless light coverage, moisturizes with natural oils for a dewy finish, and protects with coral reef safe broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. It's supposed to be buildable yet breathable, like a BB cream, but better, it says. Sheer shades are adaptable to work across different skin tones, and they have 14 shades. There we go with one layer on. Obviously it's not doing the best job of covering, but it didn't claim to have, you know, full coverage or anything like that. So as you can see, very light coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump some more out here and blend it out with the sponge. I definitely don't feel like this is the most hygienic, that's for sure. Let's go in with the sponge. Yeah, look at that white cast. Oh my gosh. I definitely got some decent coverage with that, but I'm preferring the brush side actually. So let me pump some more out and let me see how much coverage I can get. It definitely does feel oily. Again, I'm not sure what shade I got mine in, but this is definitely looking pale, and it does have a little bit of that white cast because of the SPF in it. But here is what everything is looking like up close. Definitely a nice way to apply sunscreen for sure, because you are getting a little bit of coverage. Let's go ahead and apply some concealer. I'm definitely gonna go in, I think, with like, I don't know, a thicker concealer maybe. I'll use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And then I'll set my T-zone with the powder as well. And I definitely want some more coverage. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Superstay powder, and I'm just gonna dab that all over my face. So there we have it. What do we think? It actually, with the powder and everything, it's still like a light, slight medium coverage, but it definitely covered up more once I put concealer on and all that stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and apply bronzer, blush, all that stuff, and finish my eyeshadow, and I'll be right back. The time right now is 1:08. I'll just say 1 o'clock since, you know, I probably finished setting everything a lot quicker. So I'll go ahead and say 1 o'clock, and I'll be right back. We are back. I have my Kara Beauty lashes on in the style A8 this time. My OG Kara Beauty lashes, not the style A3. I love their lashes so much, and they're so inexpensive. So here is what everything is looking like. Sorry, I just pushed in my drawer here. Everything looks really luminous still. Definitely. But everything just looks very skin-like. Not full coverage, but still looks really good. The time is now 1:23. Again, I'll check back in a little bit later in natural lighting, and wow, you can really tell the difference between my neck and my face. Maybe we should try and fix that. But this actually feels really good on the skin. Feels very light. Just gotta see if it breaks me out, because most of the time when stuff has sunscreen in it, I don't do the best. I forgot to mention, I have the ABH Nervina palette on. This is volume 3 with all of the brown gold shades. It's 4th of July, the day that I'm filming this actually, so I tried to do like a red, blue, but it turned out more gold. Oh well, and I have like a bluish dress on, so happy 4th of July if you celebrate. But anyway, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hello, it is 5:45, so I've had the foundation on for 4 hours and 45 minutes, right? Because I ended the foundation review at 1 o'clock. Oh my gosh, my flower bloomed. I'll have to show you guys. My Dicondra looks absolutely terrible, so I need to fix that. But my bromeliad has bloomed, so yay! But here's what the foundation is looking like. I don't have a mirror, so I can't see what exactly is going on. Hi, it's 8:46 now, and when I was recording my outside clip earlier, my battery died, so I didn't get a chance to show you my plants. Let me show you my plants. Oh, here's my foundation now. I gave Luna a good brush and haircut outside, so my face was covered in loose hair, so I was like trying to pick it off. I have to say my face is very sticky. It's not completely matte even after setting with powder, and I just feel cat hairs all over the place. Comment down below if you have an animal and you understand the struggle. So here's my bromeliad. Am I saying that correctly? I don't know. But look, it sprouted some new balloons. It's so pretty. My mom told me that this is actually an indoor plant, but I'm trying to get it to be outdoor because of my cats. I don't want to feed, you know, have plants inside and them get poisoned or anything like that. It's 4th of July, like I said, and fireworks. And then look at my Dicondra. It looks absolutely horrible. So I moved him just now, like, out of the sun. So hopefully, like, I can revive him. If not, yeah, we'll have to start over. The poor thing. I don't know. Tell me, should I... Is anybody good at reviving plants? Should I cut these off? I don't know what to do. Help me. Hello, the time is now 10:17. So I've had the foundation on for over 9 hours at this point. Fireworks are going off like crazy right now outside, so if you hear them, I apologize. The foundation looks really good. Like I said, I got a bunch of hair, my cat's hair on my nose, so I kept like picking and like doing all that kind of stuff. But despite all of that, all of my face makeup still looks really, really good. Everything looks really luminous, and it was so humid outside today. Again, I just have a lot of makeup missing on my nose just because I kept like going like that trying to get it off. Here is everything. It really looks good here. Like where I don't have as much texture, the foundation definitely looks a lot better. It actually doesn't look too bad on like this big zit that I have up on my forehead and stuff. But for like a super light coverage skin tint, this held up pretty decently. I am pleasantly surprised. If I were to buy this again, I would definitely get it in a darker shade just because of, you know, the SPF in it. It did make it like almost have a little bit of a white cast to it. But again, I think this is a great way to incorporate a little bit of coverage with your SPF and get a little bit of, you know, a little bit of something if you're going to the pool or the beach or anything like that and just want a little bit of something. Because with powder and everything and concealer, I feel like I would totally wear this again. It looks amazing. Let me know if you guys have tried this foundation down below, or if there's any other foundations you want me to review. Thank you all so much for watching, and have an amazing day.